Number 12, we're going to determine if the triangles are similar. The way we're going to determine if the triangles are similar is we are given lots of sides, and we're given two triangles. We're given two triangles, PRQ, SRT. It's kind of confusing to me, so I'm going to redraw both of them. So the first triangle, this is triangle 1, we're going to have it looking like this. So this is triangle 1. We have SRT, 35, 30, 25. That's our first triangle. And then we do have a larger triangle here, which is going to be PRQ. So I'm going to represent that by drawing it. PRQ. So PRQ would give us 49. The reason why it's 49 is I did 14 plus 35. Then we have right here 30 plus 12, which would give us 42. And then lastly PQ, which is 35. So the only way we can determine if the triangles are similar, which I'm going to move that part from, is we need to compare. We need to create an extended ratio, or extended proportion, which would state the shortest. So the shortest two sides compared to the middle length sides compared to the longest. So this is triangle 1, that's triangle 2. We're going to always start with triangle 1, then go to triangle 2 every single time. So first, let's compare the shortest. So the shortest on triangle 1 is ST, because 25 is the shortest. On triangle 2, the shortest here is 35. Okay, now that we have that idea down, let's do the next one. Let's do the middle of the road. Middle of the road right here would be the following. We would have 30 RT, which would be over RQ. Okay, so that's the middle of the road. And then lastly, we do have our longest sides. Longest sides is going to be orange, and here we have it as SR compared to PR. So what we're going to do here is we're just going to compare them now as three ratios equal to each other, so almost like an extended proportion. So first I'm going to compare the shortest, which I guess I'm going to go to triangle 1 to triangle 2 every single time. 25 to 35 is equal to 30 over 42, 30 over 42, which is equal to 35 over 49. Like I said before, if we did this one right, then all three of these ratios should be equivalent to each other. So 25 by 35 gets you about 0.71, or yeah, 0.7143. 30 divided by 42, 0.7143. Lastly, if this one works, then we're good to go. 35 divided by 49, 70.7143. And using the calculator trick to compare them, 0.7143 is going to be equal to 0.7413, 7143. So they are similar. So to say the similarity statement, let's just start off with the longest sides. So SR, okay. So triangle SRT is similar to triangle PRQ. P, R, Q, and it's similar by side, side, side. And just to check that our answer is right, let's just make sure we did the correct order. So SR is the same as PR, good. And then let's just check if RT is going to be similar to RQ. So RT, nope, it's not, that's green. RT is green, and then RQ is green. So, looks like we did the correct order, because if 2 of the 3 are correct, then the third has to be correct. So, yep, they are similar by side, side, side.